I'll talk about why crankshaft is not straight. Have you ever noticed that crankshaft is like this, a zigzag, as you are seeing on the screen? It is not straight. Why not this straight pipe or straight iron? I'll tell you 4 reasons why crankshaft is not straight. The first one is less vibration. To maintain less vibration. If crankshaft is straight iron or a straight shaft, there will be a lot of vibration in the engine. The engine will vibrate a lot, and that will cause of damage, the bolt will be losing, and other components will be affected. So the crankshaft cannot be a straight iron or a straight shaft, rather it must be in that form. What is the second reason? The second reason is to maintain smooth running. You know, when there is vibration, there will never be a smooth running. So for crankshaft to maintain a smooth, for the engine to maintain a smooth running, the crankshaft must be a zigzag. That is the second reason for smooth running. For your engine to run smooth, the crankshaft must not be a straight shaft. A straight shaft, there will be chaos for the engine. Why the third reason is to maintain right power interval. To maintain right power interval. What do I mean by right power interval? The third stroke of your 4-stroke engine is the power stroke. At that power, the power stroke must be shared on the engine at the right interval so that the engine can continue running. You know, at the third stroke, there is an explosion that happens at the third stroke, which is the power stroke. Explosion happen or occur in the engine. There's this very explosion that keeps the crankshaft or the flywheel to keep rotating. So at that third stroke, which is the power stroke, the crankshaft has been aligned in that way. It has maintained an interval when this one will come up and when this one will come up, which was possible because of the engine firing order. It was designed that it will accommodate the firing order so that the right time for each engine for each cylinder to produce power, that the engine can keep running. That is the third reason for why the crankshaft is not in a straight shaft or not a straight shaft. Another one is weight balancing. Weight balancing. You know, as the crankshaft is rotating, let me give you an example of 4-cylinder engine. When the 4-cylinder engine is running, if you observe, you notice that cylinder number 1 and number 4 are moving together, and when those two are at the up, you notice that the cylinder number 2 and 3 will be down. Why? Is to balance the weight of the piston, the coil rod, to balance the weight of the engine. When this one at the up, the other two will be down, and when these two are the up, the other two will be down. So when cylinder number 2 and number 3 are the TDC, the cylinder number 1 and number 4 must be at the BDC. But you remember that even when these two cylinders, when cylinder number 1 and cylinder number 4 are TDC, they are at different stroke, not at the same stroke. If one is at compression stroke, the other one will be at the power stroke. That is to tell you that they may be at equal position at TDC, but at different stroke. So to maintain engine balance, the crankshaft cannot be, it's not good for the crankshaft to be a straight shaft. It must be in that diagonal form. So it helps the engine not to vibrate. One, it also helps the right power interval so that the engine can work according to the firing order of the manufacturer. That when this one is up, this one will be down. this one will be down and this one will be up. The 6-cylinder engine, you notice that the number 1 cylinder will work in number 6 cylinder, while number 2 cylinder will work in number 5 cylinder, while number 3 and 4 will work together. That is how the crankshaft is being synchronized. This synchronization is as a result of less vibration, smooth running, then right power interval, and weight balance. So to achieve this 4 things, the manufacturer must make sure that the crankshaft is not a straight shaft, rather it must be a zigzag form. So hope you enjoyed the discussion so far. If you enjoyed, please subscribe to my channel. Help me to subscribe to my channel so that when I deliver another video, you will see it. And don't forget something: share and like. Just press, don't cost nothing. Just share and like. As you press that, thank you so much. Mr. See you in my next video. Thank you.